Genius throttle valves offer 3 different types of flappers. The blade type further reduces the space required for flapper operation by 50% to 70% compared to the round and combination types, thereby significantly decreasing valve installation space within equipment. Developed as the world's first large valve, it can be manufactured with internal diameters ranging from 200 to 1,000 millimeters. For the blade type, the flapper, configured as blades, can be managed by dividing it in half and independently controlling each segment. This approach ensures a more stable level of control. Customers have the option to select either integrated or separate types based on their requirements. In the integrated type, the valve and controller are consolidated, requiring minimal installation space and offering the advantage of space reduction within equipment. Conversely, the separate type allows users to directly input and physically adjust the desired settings via the controller from outside, facilitating real-time data monitoring through the display.